Myself Raghavendra. I work as Vice President in DBS Bank, and she is my wife Bharati, and she works at Oracle. And we have two kids. My elder daughter, her name is Gayatri, and I have a son, is Charan Sai. I came to know about Aertsen from my school classmate actually. He suggested they are doing well, and with just sharing a house plan, how much study they have done in the very first introduction itself, that has attracted us actually. They took 1.5 months for design. As per their initial timelines is 45 days. So some changes also later I have requested which are not there in SOD, and they sufficed that. So it was a little 45, more than 45 days, hardly 60 days they complete with additional changes. If we have not done any changes to our agreed design, then it would have been done in 45 days. Everything they done very organizedly. That is the reason they can complete this 45 days. And the way they made the partition, they turned it very awesome actually. Not even a single edge is sharp. Corners, they molded it very well. That material is very smooth, and edge binding is also not at all sharp. Even before the customer highlights, they don't want to leave anything to the customer actually. They want to ensure that their quality checks are upfront, they are doing the quality checks.
The Aertsen stands for quality, 100% perfectness. They won't compromise on the quality or the perfectness. Some damage comes right during the transportation, very minor, no one can see, but they can see with their
Many
eyes.
things.
So that's why I want to appreciate Aertsen for that no compromise and 100% quality.
For initial 3D entire design, time was spent by Aditya Srivastava. He designed in such a way like every piece is awesome, and the crockery unit, like people say, like it is looking as if like a Taj Mahal tower actually, both sides. Puja doors also, the space there is not much. As per the design, they want to put everything.
So we personally wanted puja bells like on the doors. So when we asked them, they already designed it, and the way they added it was really good.
Like Aertsen turned my home into heaven. They really reduced all my pain points. My pain point is like sharp edges. This factory finish is awesome. So we are feeling like very smooth. All the things are like that. And sitting with Aertsen team for meetings to discuss about all the design. They explain everything patiently. So they'll bring the tape and they'll explain everything very clearly, which serves both my requirements and overall satisfaction. So I want to thank Aertsen team for the design part.
Kitchen design is come out very nicely, like the colors of beige and white. The colors what they have selected is very nice actually, and they have given the profile lighting. It adds very much actually to the kitchen colors. We got some L shape thing, so nothing is left as unused space in the kitchen. Okay, during the design itself, what helped us majorly is the studio of Aertsen. Everything that is used in this house is there in their studio. As they promised, like whatever is there in the studio, that has reflected. Even final designs of SOD, whatever we were given and signed on that, it is like 100% they are matching actually. And their modular team, I should definitely appreciate them. They are very very skillful. The way they aligned and the way they adjusted my iron wardrobe, it was excellent. They went and searched for those items which look good only, they purchased them and installed them. Their modular team is awesome, and they have arranged another dedicated workspace for myself and my wife as well. That is also very huge space. They planned it very well in such a way that it doesn't congest anything in the master bedroom. TV they kept in the right place. I could do multiple things sitting there actually. Entire room you feel like accessible. As I said right earlier, their studio is the best. They have every single thing in their studio. Texture also. They took me to their studio, made me to touch the wall, and they ensured the texture paint, the productivity is 100% same. In kids' bedroom, they suggested a foldable study units, and which can suffice study for both the kids at the same time. It's a bigger one, and it's a foldable one.
I really wanted my room to look aesthetic and very functional. I really like the pin board in my room. I can write my notes down and just pin it to my wall itself. Like the wall itself has a pin board, like a cushion. And there's a whiteboard also in the wall itself. So whenever I need to study, I don't need to move to another place to write down my notes.
Their warranty, that is what I want to highlight actually. As promised, it's very simple to reach them, and whenever you raise a service request, they will call us and take the appointment whenever we have a right time. They will send and get it fixed, everything.
It was impressive. Aertsen, I was in one of the meetings here. So the way they explained the kitchen, every single thing, a small wall, a detail, the wood, everything as they promised, it came out very well.
On a day of housewarming, we have nothing to do. People are simply looking at the house only.
And output is wow. And I'm happy to share the Aertsen contact to my friends and neighbors. So I want to appreciate them for their dedication, punctuality, responsibility and self-review. Okay. Thanks to Aertsen team.